Hi guys, I'm Kanaka and I'm back with another video. So today's video was a very impromptu plan, and that is why I look like a little unkempt right now. So as the title might have already told you, today's video is going to be about where I use brands in alphabetical order. So the thing is that this challenge about you eating food items in alphabetical order was trending a lot, but I didn't do it when it was trending, so I thought I should try out this other style of this challenge, which is like using brands in alphabetical order. Now if someone has already done this sort of a challenge before, then please leave it in the comments below and I'll check out their video as well, because I have not come across a video of this sorts before. Now the exception in this challenge is that I'm excluding food brands, I'm excluding electronic brands. We are going to consider only skincare, beauty and fashion brands. So that's basically about it. So if you think this challenge idea is interesting, please continue watching till the end. But before starting with today's video, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and let's get started. So I would like to tell you something before we actually start with the video, that since this was a very impromptu idea, and because I've been juggling between a lot of things, I've been very inconsistent with my upload routine. I have not had the time to actually order the missing products, and also I didn't want to do that is because one, I'm trying to save up, and two, it's because for food challenges it's easier that you purchase something, you eat it and it's over. For beauty products and skincare products, you get the entire product and then you have to use it actually till it gets over a period of time, right? I really wanted to see for myself, like in this challenge, if I actually already own products in alphabetical order or not. So if I miss out on those letters, then trust me, I've tried really hard to look for it, but I might have just not been able to find it. Also, wait, big disclaimer, this video is not at all sponsored by any of these brands. Those brands don't even know about my existence yet. So this is not at all sponsored, nor am I trying to advertise any brand here. To start with letter A, I have the brand Aroma Magic, and the product that I have from their range is the lavender aromatherapy essential oil in the flavor lavender. I'm going to put it in my essential oil diffuser, let my room get the lavender essence for a bit, and then we'll move on to the letter B. So as you can see, I've put some water in it. Now I'm going to put a few drops of this. Wow, it already is smelling of lavender. So can you all see the mist? I think, yeah, this is better. So, and there's even the light option here. Yeah, so in the dark this looks so amazing with the colors changing. In the camera I think it's flickering, but it's not flickering in reality. So I'm just gonna let it stay here for some time. So it's been 15 minutes and I think that's decent time for a product to be used. And now I have to go take a shower. So for B, I'm using this shower gel from the Bath and Body Works. Coincidentally, this is also in the lavender and vanilla variant. So this is the first time I'm going to use it. I was saving it up till my current body wash is not over, but for this challenge I think I'll have to use this now. So I'm back from the shower and I purposely had kept my face wash away from my bathing area because I knew that from the muscle memory I'll just end up washing my face, which I didn't want to do. So it felt so weird to not wash my face and only take a bath. Like, coming to the third letter, which is C, I have my toothpaste, which is Close Up. So now I'm going to brush my teeth. not that bad because I just took a shower and now I'm going to brush my teeth, so it's okay, it's manageable I feel. So let's go. Sorry if it's getting cut over here, but that's because I have kept it in such a position that the top of this shelf is visible, so I'm sorry for that. By the way, I think I mentioned close-up before, but I have Colgate over here, and luckily even my toothbrush is from Colgate, so good. But now we are done with C and now we move on to D. So I have this t-shirt from the brand named Doobie, so I'm gonna wear that. But for the bottoms, I have pants from the brand Go Colors. Can't wear a t-shirt on my bathrobe and not wear anything down, so I'm going to wear my t-shirt and I'm going to wear the pants for G right now itself because that makes sense, and EF I'm going to complete just after I'm done wearing my outfit. The pants are from Go Colors, so G. So I'm ready with my outfit for the day, super comfortable. Now moving on to E, I have the Everyuth face scrub. So thankfully now we are going to do something on our face. Again we are back to our spot. I managed to not make the shelf ka lower part, like the top shelf ka lower part, visible to y'all. Now moving on to our face scrub from Everyuth. So we are done scrubbing the face. Letter E done. For the letter F, I have this perfume from Fab India, so I'm going to spray that. This is the first time I'm spraying a perfume when I'm just like going to sit at home for the entire day. So G is done because we wore the Go Color pants. Now for H, I'm going to wear these earrings from the brand Have a Design Co. I'm just going to put the spelling here. So this is actually a small business and I had purchased these earrings from them. They are really cute, and I think now since we are going to dress up for this day, I'll just wear it as well. So for the letter I have this eyeshadow trio by Ipsy NYX, but since the first brand mentioned is Ipsy, which starts with I think this will do. So I'm just going to use the black eyeshadow like an eyeliner because I'm not in the mood to put any makeup today, so I'm just going to put it to complete this challenge. Is it little visible? Don't expect it to be like pigmented like an eyeliner because it's an eyeshadow. It looks very shabby because firstly it's eyeshadow, so it's not pigmented that much like an eyeliner. Okay, so for the letter J, I think most of y'all might have already guessed it, but it's here. I have the Johnson baby oil from the brand Johnson & Johnson. Now I don't know what to use it for. Like, I know it's an oil, but I think I'm just going to apply it to my feet, like the sole of my feet, because I think that's a good thing to do. Actually, you're supposed to do that before going to bed, like just before going to bed, but now we can't do that. So if y'all are wondering how am I moving around the house, so one, make sure that the oil is not completely, but like majority of the oil is absorbed by your body. And secondly, wear slippers and move because you will have no chances of slipping. Secondly, there won't be oil footprints throughout the house. Hi guys, so it's evening now, it's almost 6 o'clock, and now we had done till letter J, I think. Yeah, the last I applied was the Johnson's baby oil on my feet, and now we have to move on to the letter K. So I thought like I should go for this face wash from Khadi Naturals. So I've just washed my face, and for letter L, I'm going to use this opportunity to apply the Lakme moisturizer because I scrubbed my face and then I washed my face, but then there was no moisturizer. So thankfully now is the perfect time. I'm going to apply my moisturizer. For M, I'm going to use this 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil from Miniso. For N, I have Nykaa with me, so I'm going to use the Nykaa lipstick. This shade is Rusty Trusty. I think I've spoken about this in my lipsticks you should have video, so check that out. So I'm checking in after a long time. My lipstick is faded now because I had dinner and I was doing some work. So now we have reached the letter, I always forget this one. Now we have reached the letter O, and for O I have this t-shirt from Only. So since I've been wearing this the entire day, I think it's time to change it now. So I'm going to change into this top from Only. So I've changed into my t-shirt. Now for the letter P, I have the Parachute hair oil. I don't think I'm going to put it on my scalp. I'm going to put it on the lens of my hair. So for the letter Q, I found this brand called Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, and I have its cocoa butter, and it's meant for the hand and body. So I'm going to apply it on my legs. So moving on to the letter R, I have this necklace from the brand Rangeen Kala. So again, like the earrings, this is also from a small business and it's handmade, and the name of the business is Rangeen Kala. I have mentioned about this brand in my supporting small business video. You can check it out. Full floral this look is going because there are flowers on my top, in my ears, on my neck as well, and all are different flowers. So we are being totally floral today. So for the letter S, I'm going to wear these pants from the brand named Shyla. I'll give you a closer look at the label. So I'm going to wear these PJs for the night, and guess what, there are flowers all over this also. So this is like literally a full floral outfit. For the letter T, I have the brand The Body Shop, and I have its lip and cheek tint. I'm not going to be putting it on my cheek and use it only as a lip tint and not a cheek tint. I am hoping this would fade away by the night. I'm going to put really very little quantity. So we are done with the letter T. Hi guys, so I'm almost at the end of the day. I'm feeling pretty sleepy now. So I'm just going to remove the earrings and the necklace because obviously I can't sleep with these earrings and this necklace because I'm worried it's going to break. So since this is a 24-hour challenge, I do have time till tomorrow when I started this challenge today. So coming to the letter V, we have Vaseline with us. So I'm just going to apply some on my lips. And for letter W, we have Wow's Aloe Vera Body Lotion. So this is the first time I'm using this, like it's brand new. I had gotten this free with some order, like some offer was going on. We don't have anything with X, Y and Z as of now. So I'm going to continue this challenge tomorrow and I'll try to complete those 3 letters as well as the one we missed previously, which is U. This day has ended obviously, and so we have managed to complete maximum letters. Hi guys, so it is the next day now, and last we left at VW. Now moving on to Y, I have Yardley's talcum powder. So I'm going to apply this on my body. So I'm going to take some on my palms and apply it on my neck and maybe the hand. And finally Z, and from Z I thought a lot, and the only thing that I had that also was not mine, it was my dad's, was this jacket from Zara. Now I don't shop from Zara. I found this jacket in my dad's wardrobe, and so I'm going to wear it for like half an hour to 1 hour, and I think that would be it for this challenge, because I have to take a shower in max 1 hour. I can't delay further, and I think we've reached the end of this challenge where I am wearing this jacket from Zara for the letter Z. So that's it for today's video. I know I didn't have anything for the letter U, and it's not just about finding a brand from U. It's important for me to have it at my place, and as I mentioned earlier, for those reasons I did not purchase any product, and I think that was a good thing, because that really made me dig in for brands from each alphabet. Otherwise simply I would not even think that much, and just like one letter I would not be able to find, I would place an order for that. But I really went deep so badly to find products from each alphabet. But apart from that, I think I have done a good job in this challenge. So please comment down and tell me how you found this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you thought this concept was interesting. Please share this with anyone who you think might find this helpful or would enjoy watching this. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell notifications on so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!